everyone. Today let us understand about earthing and its types. What is basically the earthing? Earthing is the process of transferring immediate discharge of your electrical energy directly to the earth with the help of low resistance wire is called as earthing. So all your connection of electrical machinery is connected to general mass of earth with a conducting material which is having of low resistance is also called as earthing. Whenever the earthing of electrical equipment is done, it brings the equipment to zero potential and it avoids any types of shock whenever we operate under any fault conditions. There are certain objectives of the earthing which we must remember. The earthing objectives are to save the human life from shock by blowing the fuse of any apparatus which becomes leaky. That is, whenever it is leaky or faulty, the earthing will protect the human life against the electrical shock. It will provide safety operation. We can save the conducting material and to protect high-rise buildings from the atmosphere lighting. Whenever the lighting occurs, earthing will protect us from the high voltage lighting and to maintain the line voltage constant. Now when it comes to types of earthing, there are different types of earthing like rod earthing, pipe earthing and plate earthing. Now let us understand the plate and pipe earthing as they are very, very important. So as you can see here, the important methods of earthing are pipe and plate earthing. Here the earth resistance of the copper wire is generally 1 ohm and that of GI wire is kept at 3 ohms, less than 3 ohms. Now as much as possible the earth resistance should be less so that any neutral of electrical system which is earth is maintained almost at the earth potential itself. Now the typical value of earth resistance at powerhouse is measured to be at 0.5 ohms and at the substation it is to be 1 ohms. When we observe the diagram of the plate earthing, you can see here it has copper wire for connection, cement chambers, cast iron cover, funnel with mesh to flow the water, and the ground level. From the ground level there is a GI pipe which is about 3 meters and below 3 meters there is a 90 centimeters earthing plate which is of 90 into 90 centimeters which is surrounded by the charcoal and salt mixture. Now when we observe how it works, so in an earthing system generally the metallic body, that is whether it may be plate or pipe which is embedded in the earth is called as earth electrode. Now for effective earthing, the resistance which we offer by the earth electrode along with the soil in which the electrode is embedded should be of quite low, as we saw in the definition. The resistance should be maintained at quite low position. Now the copper plate is the best choice when we select. Why? As it is least affected to the moisture content which will be present under the earth, and rust, it will not be rusted easily when we select the copper material. And the plate which is buried to a depth not less than 2 to 3 meters and at a level of 0.6 meters away from the foundation of any other building structure. So generally the diameter of the plate, the standard diameter of the copper plate is 0.3 meter into 0.3 meter into thickness of 6.35 mm, and the GA plate is again 0.3 mm, 0.3 mm into 3.2 millimeters. And also alternate layers of common salt and charcoal are about 30 millimeters and 80 millimeters thick respectively. So in order to maintain the good conductivity of the soil, general arrangements is made like pouring water into the earth pit surrounding the earth electrode. Generally it is needed during the summer seasons. Now this is how the earthing is carried out with respect to plate earthing. Also we can observe the difference between plate and pipe earthing here. Everything will be remain same. Instead there, here a GI pipe with few particular holes at its lower end is buried to the depth which will be not less than 2 meters and at least again here also 0.6 centimeters away from any other foundations is carried out. Normally the plate is replaced by the pipe here, and the pipe structure is should be 2 meters long and 30 to 40 diameter, or 1.37 meters and 51 millimeter diameter. But whenever we use longer pipes for dry rocky coils, alternate layers of common salt and charcoals, which is having about thickness of 30 millimeters and 80 millimeters respectively, are spread, as you can observe here, salt and charcoal. So the pipe must have much larger contact area with the soil so that it can handle large leakage currents than the plate earthing of the same electrode size. So the earth wire here also made up of copper is tightly fixed or fastened to the earth electrode by means of the nuts and bolts, as you can observe here, the JA pipe and how the pipe earthing is carried out. Earthing definitely is beneficial whenever there is a faulty or leakage current, so it is always suggestible to use earthing. Hope you understood. Thank you.